My skin has been through quite a lot. Anyways, I'm gonna be doing a lip. I want to do something creative. I saw something on Instagram. It was like an illusion lip and it looked really cool. I don't want to do my full face, so I am just going to take a picture literally of my lips here down. I do not want to do my whole face. I'm going to be using liner. I also want to try maybe a powder look. Girl, I don't know. We'll see. While I set this up, I'm just going to tell you guys the story of how I lost my phone. Yeah, so the day was, I actually don't remember the day. I think it was the 19th. Yeah, it was Friday night. I was out and about being a girl, living my best life in Chicago. Okay, it's Friday night, bitch. Like, we're outside. One of my homegirls, her birthday was in September, but I was going through a lot, so I wasn't able to celebrate with her. Took her out, we went to an Italian restaurant, got some wine, got some pizza, got lit, you know what I'm saying? Then after that, we walked down to a bar, bunch of Caucasians. It was like an Irish pub. It was cute, whatever. Then we were like, okay, well, since we're out, we might as well be out. We were thinking of going to a club. We ended up like going to her car and then driving closer to the club. And then we're gonna take an Uber from there. She pulls out a J, period, because I don't smell like that. But I'm like, we outside, we finna be outside. She said she got it from a dispensary. I'm like, oh, I should have asked what strain. I'm like, weed is weed. I do not smoke. I don't know what weed is anymore. Like, I used to smoke so much, but that was like 2 years ago. Now I'm cross-faded. High as hell, a little tipsy, you know what I'm saying? Are we still gonna go to the club? And I'm like, bro, I can barely breathe right now. Like, I'm fighting for my life. When we pull up to the spot where we're gonna get the Uber from, I had to pee. So we get out, go into the little alley, and we go pee. Then we get back on the car. I throw up because I'm like, I'm high as hell. We ate, but like not for real. I had half a pizza, like a salad, and then some wine. So like that was like a snack for me. I'm throwing up. I'm feeling like shit. And I was literally had my phone out to get the Uber to the club we were gonna go to. My phone back in my purse. Zip it up, okay? And then I pull out my water bottle because I brought my water bottle with me in my purse because I always carry my water. And so I'm like, okay, let me just breathe. Let me just drink some water. I'm breathing, I'm drinking my water. My water bottle's in my hand. My phone should still be in my purse, right? We're like, okay, girl, you're drunk and high. It's time for me to go home. We get in the Uber. I think when I was outside my apartment, I was like, I don't have my phone, guys. My friend was like, what do you mean? I was like, in your purse? I'm like, girl. I had opened the door in like the middle of the street. My friend was like, oh my God. And she was like, mi amiga, what is going on? I'm like, bruh, I'm fighting for my life. I text my sister with my iPad. I'm like, could you look at my location? And she's like, sure. She sends me a picture and it's nowhere near where we were Friday night. I'm like, okay. So then we're calling, and they're not answering. So I'm like, okay, well, if you have it and you're not answering, then why the fuck do you have it? Because like, you obviously not trying to answer and give it back to us, you know, type shit. We track it down to where she took the location picture of last place she saw it. It's not even there. Like, we're calling, and it's not even there. And then we asked her to take a picture of the location again. She's saying how it moved. We checked the new location and it was 8 minutes away. So we're like, okay, so this nigga is moving. Nigga stole my phone. Then we went to the location where they moved to. It was like the sketchiest street ever. Like, that shit was mad sketch. Like, we go down the street the first time and everyone's just like looking, trying to look through the car or whatever. We had the windows down a little bit. The second time we went through, we called the phone trying to see if anyone was looking at a phone or like turned it off or something, or declined the call. We couldn't really see nothing. She was just trying to go and I'm like, I'm trying to investigate or whatever. And we can't really see like obviously who it is, so that means we would have to like either get out or call out the window, and that's just too risky because apparently she said that they were Venezuelans and she was like, Venezuelans can be a little trigger happy, excited for excitement. Basically, I took the L, got basically a new phone. I hate that I had to get a new phone because my phone was working perfectly fine. And phones are made of cobalt, and cobalt comes out of Congo, and Congo is going through an enormous genocide, I think like 12 years. So yeah, my phone got stolen by Venezuelans. Crazy. Anyways, story time over. Didn't know my face was this busted up and beat up, but that's okay. So I'm gonna start outlining right now. I sent some of my friends, asked me some questions, basically trying to get to know me better, just things that they felt like would be interesting to know about me and like my makeup brands. We're gonna keep all of the senders anonymous. It says, what drives you to get up every morning? I would say the longing and the desire to be a better person, to be a better creative, to be a better sister, niece, aunt, friend, coworker, even neighbor. I've told people this. I wake up and I go straight into meditating and then straight into yoga. That's basically like my routine. I do things within my day that also help me feel better about myself, make me want to get up and do things. And it feels good to like motivate yourself to do what you want that you know will propel you into the direction that you want. Just having a goal, a dream, doing things just every day, kind of just to put yourself either in the mood or just kind of to motivate yourself. The same person says, if you could visit any place in the world, where would it be and why? Besides the places that I'm already planning on visiting, which is London, Italy, Spain, and Germany, I would say either Tokyo or Hawaii. Tokyo for the culture. Apparently, like, it's super clean. Obviously, anime was based in Japan. It feels like you're walking through like an anime. And then Hawaii because Lilo and Stitch, you know what I mean? It's a staple of my childhood. Oh damn, and I forgot. Also, what happened that night, literally the bus driver was looking at me like I'm a cheeseburger. I'm like trying to catch the train, and he honks the horn. He tries to get me to come back, and I'm like, fine, nah. Now you just made a whole spectacle, I guess. I'm like, you lucky the train ain't coming, because I got places to be. And he's like, don't worry, I already wrote it down for you. And he wrote his number down. Right when I was about to get off, he was talking about how he makes a lot of money as a bus driver. But good thing I have my own money. So now he's texting me. I didn't know what to do with this area, so also I'm trying not to freaking swallow this. And that is the look for today. I might even drag the corners out a little bit more. Actually, I like it, but I'm just gonna pose like this. What's an experience that significantly shaped you, who you are today? I'm reading on my busted up iPhone 10. I think it is when I moved in with my aunt. My aunt is my rock. I love her to bits and pieces. Hey, Auntie Rocky. Love you. I missed graduation because I decided to get high the night before and she was upset. She really came to me as a woman. She saw me as a woman. She saw me as someone who's responsible for my own life. She gave me the respect as a woman to come to me and not make me feel bad. I really appreciated that because it really kickstarted me into thinking about my actions around other people. Everyone else has their own lives, so I have to be considerate of that as well. Okay. I guess last one, who has been the most influential person in your life besides my aunt? Is going to be my sister, my sissy. Love Kita. That is someone who I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Admire with my entire heart, who I cherish. I value her more than I value a lot of other people and a lot of other things. She is a mom. Just having her in my life from childhood and then seeing her raise her own child, and then me becoming an adult, taking on my own responsibilities and growing, and then her still being there and her still like holding space for me to still feel safe around her and like be vulnerable. I love her so much. Anywho, that's it for today. I gotta take this off. I feel like I swallowed some and I almost died. Ooh. Period. I made a new look. Love it, love it, love it. I'm gonna take this off. I gotta eat. I'm so hungry. All I have is a smoothie. Well, thank you guys for watching. It's been a pleasure always. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching to the end. If you watched to the end, comment down below if you like the swirl illusion look or if you like this kind of like gradient little moment. She is dry, she's flaky, and she's getting in my mouth. Like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you so much. Turn on bell notifications if you would like to just keep up with me, see what I post, and yeah, that's pretty much it. But yeah, TTYL XOX.
You got all dressed up for the club.